Welcome friends, today we will see how one polynomial can be divided with another polynomial. We will take example 2.3 of CBSE class 10 and we will do 3 questions. So directly going to the question number 2. First question, divide 2t raised to 4 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 with t square minus 3. You have to divide with t square minus 3. Okay. So here the power of t is 2. Here the highest power of t is 4. We have to multiply with the 2t square. So 2t square into t square, 2t raised to 4. 2t square into minus 3 minus 6t square. I have to write below the respective term. So t square, here it is 0. Now subtract. 2t raised to 4 minus 2t raised to 4 is giving me 0. 3t cube will come down as it is. Minus 2t square minus of minus 6. Minus 2 minus of minus 6 means plus 4. Plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12. Here it is t square, here it is 3t cube. So I have to multiply with the 3t. 3t into t square, 3t cube minus 3t. So minus 3t I am writing here, sorry, minus 9t. Minus 9t I am writing here. Here it is 0, here minus 12. Then subtracting 0 here. 4t square minus 9 0 minus 12 0. So it is 4t square here. Here it is t square. So we have to multiply with 4. 4 into t square, 4t square. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. 4t square minus 4t square is 0. 0 minus of minus 12 is plus 12. So the quotient is t square minus 3. Divisor is 2t square plus 3t plus 4 and remainder is 12. As we have seen in the previous videos, the degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. Here the degree of the divisor is 2, so the degree of remainder can be either 0 or 1. Here the degree of the remainder is 0. Now second example, 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. We have to divide with x square plus 3x plus 1. 3x raised to 4, 5x cube minus 7 square plus 2x plus 2 divided with x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, here x square, here 3x raised to 4. So 3 into x square we have to multiply. 3x raised to 4, 3x square into 3, 9x cube. So plus 9x cube, 3x square into 1 is 3x square, so plus 3x square here. Subtract, here it is 0. 5 minus 9 is minus 4x cube. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Okay. Here x square, here minus 4x cube. So we have to multiply with the minus 4x. So minus 4x into x square is equal to minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into plus 3x is equal to minus 12x square. Minus 4x. Subtract 0. Minus 10 minus of minus 12 is 2x square. 2x minus of minus 4x is plus 6x plus 2. x square and 2x square, so we have to multiply with 2 here. 2 into x square, 2x square, plus 2 into 3x, 6x, plus 2 into 1, 2. 0, 0, 0. So the remainder is 0. That means x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 7 square plus 2x plus 2. So in the first question there was a remainder, second question there is no remainder. So in the second question this divisor is a factor of the polynomial. Here since the remainder is there, t square minus 3 is not a factor of this polynomial. Okay, now we will take third question. X raised to 5, so x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Here there is no x raised to 4, so we will write it as 0. So x raised to 5 plus 0 x raised to 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Divide with x cube minus 3x plus 1. X cube minus 3x plus 1. Okay. Here it is x raised to 5, here it is x cube, so we have to multiply with the x square here. x square into x cube, x raised to 5. x square into minus 3x, minus 3x cube, x square into 1 plus x square, subtract 0, 0, minus 4 minus of minus 3, minus 4 plus 3. That means minus x cube, s square 0, plus 3x plus 1. Here it is x cube, here it is minus s cube, so we have to multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into s cube minus s cube, minus 1 into minus 3x plus 3x, minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 1 minus of, that is remainder is 2 here. Since remainder is there, this polynomial is not a factor of this polynomial. Clear?